Hello, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Mono. Welcome back to Sunday Talk episode number 123. In today's episode, as always, I'm gonna go over 5 questions I received from you guys, and I have another powerful quote for you today. And also, I will go over an NVC update for some of you guys who missed my Tuesday update. Before I start today's video, I want to wish you guys happy Sunday. I hope your day is going well. So guys, let's start with today's powerful quote. Today's quote is coming from unknown author, so I don't know the person whose quote it is, but here is the quote. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Again, your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. I think it's a powerful quote. It's a really powerful quote. So basically, the way I understand it is that whatever it is you want to become tomorrow, you have to start working on it today. If you want to bring your spouse to United States of America, you have to start the process today, not tomorrow, but today. If you want a perfect job, whatever job it is you want, you have to start working on it today. What kind of degree you're going to have to get that job? You know, what you need to do to get that job. So whatever it is you want tomorrow, which is in the future, whatever it is you want in your future, you have to start working on it today. So again, I think it's a powerful quote. But now let's get started with the questions. The first question of today's video is coming from Happy Pro. Here's the question. Hello John, I would like to ask if does a joint sponsor has a limited number, and if so, how many is the limit? Well, thanks for the question. I receive this question a lot. You know, people who want a petition for their relative, but they don't meet the income requirement. Well, they have to use either joint sponsor or household member. If you want to use a joint sponsor, from what I know, the limit is 2. You can only use up to 2 joint sponsors per case, per I-130 petition case. Okay, so yeah, to answer your question, the limit is 2. All right, so let's move to another question here. The second one is coming from Binta. Here is the question. Hi John, how do you know that your priority date is current? Well, thanks for the question. I don't know if you watch my latest video, the one I upload on Friday. I talk about all this, and most of the time the priority date for some of you guys who don't know what it is the day your petition was filed. Your I-130 petition was filed with USCIS. Okay, so now when you check the visa bulletin board, if the priority date is before the date in the chart, which is the cutoff date, then your priority date is current. Okay, or sometimes you will see letter C in the chart, you know, right beside your visa category. It means that the priority date is current. It means that there is a fewer visa applicant in that category, therefore there is a lot of visa number available. That's why you will see C in the chart. So to answer your question, your priority date is current when the priority date is before the date in the chart. Just an example, let's say your priority date is January 1st 2000, and then in the chart you see let's say March 1st 2000. It means that your priority date is current because January 1st 2000 is before March 1st 2000. Okay, all right, and let's move to another question here. The third question will come from Yudoka Adebisi. Here's the question. Hi John, I have 2 daughters, but I didn't marry the lady, and I'm married now to another lady. Please, I'm documented to qualify with my papers. Are they going to ask for any document on the lady or any information about her? Well, thanks for the question. First of all, I don't know which lady you're talking about, because you called both, you know, both people here ladies, so I don't know which one you're talking about. I'm assuming you asking a question regarding your daughter's mother. Okay, if it's your daughter's mother, well, you don't need any document from her since you guys weren't married. If you were married before, then you're gonna need the divorce document. Okay, but if you were not married, from what I know, you won't need any document from her. Okay, again, this is not legal advice. Okay, you can double check with NVC, but from what I know, you won't need any document from her. All right, guys, let's move to the next question. This one is coming from Catherine Gap. Here's the question. Hi, what proof of docs need to submit for a sister-to-sister relationship? My sister in the US is our petitioner. Well, thanks for the question. Well, this one, I mean, for me, birth certificate is the good, the right document to use as a proof of relationship, with your sister, because on the birth certificate you will have the parent information. If the petition was filed based on one parent, at least on that one parent's name will be on the birth certificate. So the right document, from what I know, is the birth certificate. Okay, let's move to, when I say birth certificate, it will be the beneficiary birth certificate, basically. Okay, all right, let's move to another question here, which is gonna be the last one. This one is Danje Prince. So here's the question. Trying to bring my 15 years old son to the state. I'm at the level of NVC, pay the fees, we'll start filing on DS260. But my question is, since he is a minor, do I need to submit any civil document for him, like a police report or non-criminal record? Well, thanks for the question. So yes, you're gonna submit some civil document, but it's not gonna be a police clearance certificate. It depends. Okay, so since your son is 15 years old, it means that he's under 16. So therefore, you won't need a police clearance certificate. For him, you don't need to submit a police clearance certificate for him. But if your son was arrested, at any age before 16, and he was arrested in any country, well, for different reason, I don't know, you have to submit a police clearance certificate. And this is based on information on NVC website. You can check it out yourself. Like I said at the beginning of this video, we're gonna go over NVC update. On some of you guys who missed my Tuesday update, well, this week NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on October 26. So some of you guys who petition for your relative you are waiting for a welcome letter. Well, that's what NVC is saying on their website. So if you don't get your welcome letter, well, give them a little time. And if it's taking too long, especially if you're a U.S. citizen, you petition for your immediate relative and it's taking like 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, you didn't get a welcome letter, you need to reach out to NVC National Visa Center. Some of you guys who are not immediate relative, you have to keep checking your the visa bulletin board to see if your priority date is current. Okay, so now some of you guys pay fees and submit different documents and waiting for NVC to let them know that they are documentary qualified. Well, NVC announced on their website this week also that they are reviewing documents they received from you guys on August 8th. If I'm not mistaken, because I'm looking at the date on the sheet of paper, you're August 8th. So, be patient. If NVC didn't contact you yet, they will eventually contact you, especially if you are immediate relative. It's going to be a little bit quicker. If you are not immediate relative, again, just keep waiting until they reach out to you. And the third update is regarding email. Some of you guys have questions. You send those questions to NVC. Well, they're doing their best to reply to your message and to answer your question basically. Okay, so this week also they announced on their website that they are responding to emails they received from you guys on September 26th. Okay, so all you got to do is to monitor your email so you don't miss any emails coming from NVC National Visa Sender. Okay, so guys, basically that's what I have for you today. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, click on the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, well, click on the bell. If you are new here, you like what you're seeing, you want to subscribe, click on the subscribe button. If you want to support this channel, well, we have a USMO shop. The link is in the description below, and also you can see some of the t-shirt over here. You can also go to usmo.com, click on USMO shop. It will take you to the website where you can purchase at least one t-shirt. Again, my name is John. Thanks for watching. Whatever you do today, do it peacefully, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.